Hi everyone, this is me, Mohammed Saad. Welcome to the class. As we are always sitting down and doing the same monotonous movement pretty much every day, it's really important for us to get our physical body out of its comfort zone and move mindfully. It helps you out in becoming more aware of how you feel inside this body and this mind. And furthermore, it also helps you out in getting rid of that stress, that unwanted lethargicness, that unwanted heaviness that you feel in your being. Whenever you're ready now, you're going to find the favorite corner for yourself, grab a mat, and I will see you in all four position. Keep your fingers active, keeping the end of the fingers active pressed into the mat and heel of the palm into the floor as well. Staying here with an inhalation, you'll gently shift your weight forward with an inhalation. With an exhalation, tucking the toes in, pressing the hips into the heels. Inhale forward and exhale back. Continue for 4 more times. So you can make it slightly more dynamic, moving back and forth, just warming up the wrist here for now, warming up the toes. 1 more time, forward with an inhalation and back with an exhalation. Coming back into all 4. You're going to stay there now. You're going to slowly and gently start tucking the tailbone outwards, letting the abdomen drop towards the mat, letting the upper back sink as well. You're going to press into the palms and gently lift through the crown of the head, look up. With an exhalation, you'll start tucking your tailbone in, you'll round through the middle back, you'll round through the upper back, pressing the palms into the floor, suck your abdomen in. Inhale into cow face position and exhale into cat face. Spinal extension with an inhalation and spinal flexion with an exhalation. Continue for 2 more times with your own rhythm. And exhale. 1 more breath in, arching the back, looking up. And with an exhalation, rounding the back, sucking your abdomen in, chin into the chest. With an inhalation, you will come back into an all 4 position. Perfect. Keeping the hips on top of the knees. You'll extend your arms forward and try not to arch the back here. You'll keep it neutral. You'll keep your spine long as well. Keeping your palms active, pressed into the floor. Take a deep breath in through the nostrils. With an exhalation, this time you'll actively press the chest in towards the mat. Inhale, lift up. With an exhalation, sinking the chest towards the floor. Breathe in, come up. With an exhalation, sinking the chest down and feeling the gentle opening into the shoulders. Feel free to keep a block under the head if needed, or you can just place your forehead down onto the mat as well. In any manner, if you want to go slightly more deeper, you can untuck and you can place your chin on the mat, lengthening through the throat. You can stay here for a little longer and keep observing your breath, staying fully connected to each inhalation and each exhalation. Whenever you feel ready, you'll slowly and gently make your way back into all 4 position, and from there now we'll move towards the stabilization of the spine. You'll extend your right leg back, Keeping the right foot flexed, so pointing the toes towards the right knee. Instead of lifting the hip, you'll extend your right leg back, push the heel back, keep your hips square, looking down into the floor. Find some stabilization here, find some balance here. Shift your weight to the right palm and you'll extend your left arm forward. Keeping your head relaxed, looking down into the floor. Stretch through the fingers forward, stretching the heel back. You'll hold. Stay there for 4 more breaths. 3, 2, and 1. You slowly move back, coming back into a neutral position, and you'll change the sides now. So you'll extend your left heel back, keeping your foot flexed. Extend your leg, lift up. Stretch your right arm forward. Hold. Continue breathing through the nostrils, keeping your lips sealed. Watch your breath. Let it soften. Another 2 breaths in. 1 more. And you'll slowly release, relax. Perfect. Now, step your right foot forward and moving into a kneeling position. So instead of creating that arch into the back, you'd tuck the tailbone in this time. And the moment you tuck the tailbone in, you start feeling the gentle opening to the front of your left leg. Now, you're going to move the back knee forward. You're going to pull the heel inwards. So the movement that you're creating is you're really engaging the lower bit of the body here. You're going to stay there. You're going to lengthen through the torso. You'll extend your arms up. Stay. Breathe for another 2 and 1. You release your palms. Move your right leg back. Step your left foot forward. Lift up. Get that engagement. Heel back. Knee forward. Stabilizing the hip. Finding balance here. Lifting through the torso. Stretching your arms up. Hold and breathe for another 3, 2, and 1. You move your palms down. Move your legs back. Separate the knees from each other. Move your toes together. Relax into a child's pose position. You can add on this practice anywhere in the morning. If you're a morning person, you practice in the morning. Or otherwise, you can add this into your daily movement bit if you're doing so. If not, I would highly recommend that you take out just 5 minutes from your daily time, from your daily busy schedule, and get there on the mat, listen to yourself. I hope this video will help you out. It will help you out in creating space. It will help you out in getting more connected to yourself and to find more balance in your body. If you like it, please feel free to share it around with the people who are in need of this mindful movement, and I'll be hoping to see you soon again. Thank you so much.